How to change Instagram highlight covers. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can change Instagram highlight covers. Alright, so let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Instagram account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the bottom part of the screen, the bottom right corner to be precise, and then click on your profile icon. Once you're on your profiles page, the next step is to go and locate your highlights. All right, your highlights section is often located after your bio and after the option edit profile and share profile. So just go ahead and click on the highlights, the one whose cover you would like to change. And so after clicking on the highlights, move to the bottom right corner and click on the three vertical dots, which stands for the more option button. And then in the drop down displayed, ensure you select edit highlights. And so you'll be brought to the editing page. On this page you can see edit cover, edit title, and all of that. Since you're trying to edit the title of your highlights, just go ahead and click on edit cover, and then you can see the cover currently. So go to the bottom part of the screen where you can see your gallery option and just select it. And so go ahead and select the cover that you would like to use. So for me, this is the cover I would like to use. After selecting it, move to the top right corner and click on the next option. Then it will be processed, and once it has been processed, the cover will be changed, and then click on the done option also at the top right corner of the screen. You can change the title if you want to. And just move to top right corner again and click on done, and then your highlights cover would be changed immediately. All right, depending on your internet connection, it might take a while to load. If your internet connection it's not stable, but if it's okay, it would be changed. All right, so I want to believe that this tutorial has helped you, so go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a good day.